And today we have a 2014 Mazda 6 that came in for an inspection. This lady is driving the car kind of as a see if she wants to buy kind of thing, and today's her last day. So she decided to go to a shop and have it checked out. Pulled the dipstick, and I'm going to show you this. He found out that it looked very milky. And when the oil looks milky and not clear, and you can see that the oil is very milky looking on the dipstick, that's a telltale sign that there's coolant mixing with the oil. She would be buying an engine for this thing, or at least a head gasket for it. And then the subsequent cleaning of all of the whole engine oiling system and the engine cooling system, which has now been contaminated with motor oil. Make sure you're doing a pre-purchase inspection prior to buying your vehicle. It's going to be a lifesaver and a money saver. If you do live locally here in the Phoenix area, come see us at Good Works Auto Repair. Thanks for your time.